Presenting the Marshalltown Polar Pusher. These shovels are ideal for pushing snow efficiently over large areas. Available in sizes from 48 to 24 inches. The non-stick blade resists water, wear, and impact better than other steel or plastic shovels, and the fiberglass handle's D-shaped grip helps you slide the shovel along in comfort. The Polar Pusher is ergonomically designed for maximum pushing power. The Polar Pusher differs from a scoop shovel by letting the snow curl up and back into the shovel's path, minimizing spillage on the sides. This makes it fast, efficient, and less tiring than a scoop shovel. Save your back by pushing the snow instead of lifting with the Marshalltown Polar Pusher.